we've cleaned and pre-primed everything. Now this is a different kind of a lock pad. It's just a rubber EPDM lock pad. You see we got 3 prime lines now. And I have my chalk line set over here. So I'm going to work from this edge. Now these pads they're quick, they're light. It's as simple as pulling the tape off, the release paper off. Now the way you want to set it, you're going to hold it so it doesn't fold on you. You want to set this edge first. You want to make sure that that's straight. So I'm setting it right on my line. I'm going to use my knee to hold it in place. I'm going to bend it back. And I'm just going to let it set right on the primer. Alright, I'm going to show you another way that's a little bit more faster than this. You just set this down, don't pull your paper yet. You're going to line this edge. You pick this up, pull the relief paper, set it down, pick this side up, pull the relief paper, and you're good to go. Same way, you see that is much faster. It's a much more efficient way of doing it. Same thing. Pull the paper, you're going to set this side down, pull this side back, pull the relief paper, and that's a done deal. We probably set 2 in the time it took us to set that one.